सर कैन वी अलाउ टू अनम्यूट दीज पार्टिसिपेंट्स? हम इन लोगों को अनम्यूट कर
Yes,
सकते हैं?
they are allowed. They can. They are
अच्छा
allowed.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर इनके कोई भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे दे कैन आस्क मी विद अ
Yes,
फ्री
yes,
माइंड।
yes. Absolutely. That is allowed, and they can type in the chat box as well.
तो ज्योति, अफजल, अर्पिता, कीर्ति, मानवी, रक्षिता, सोनम शर्मा, श्री श्री और अनंदिता। अनंदिता का अभी तक नहीं है सर, जरा एक बार इन्हें ना गाइड कर दीजिए कि अनम्यूट में म्यूट में जाके इनको क्लिक करना है, देन इट विल बी
I
अनम्यूट।
think you should continue the session. I will take care. That's
ओके फाइन। सो गाइस, आप सभी बच्चे अगर आप लोगों का कोई भी, देखिए सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बिल्कुल बेसिक चीजें बता देती हूँ। हालांकि मुझे स्टूडियो आना था, स्टूडियो आके मुझे पूरा प्रॉपर वे से एक सेमिनार देना था, बट देयर आर सम सर्टन सर्कमस्टांसेस जिस कारण से मैं वहां पर जा नहीं पाई हूँ। तो गाइस, आप लोगों का हम जो किस तरीके से मतलब ये पूरा का पूरा सेक्शन को डिलीवर करेंगे वो मैं आपको एक ओवरऑल बता देती हूँ। और दूसरी चीज ये है कि लाइक आप लोग किस तरीके से, जैसे आप 2021 के भी स्टूडेंट हैं, 22 के भी स्टूडेंट हैं, हालांकि अभी तक मुझे नहीं पता कि आप 21 देना चाहते हैं, 22 देना चाहते हैं, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले ओवरऑल एक मैं जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव लेके चलूंगी कि अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट है
yeah. Sorry to interrupt,
2021।
ma'am. Sorry to interrupt. Actually, in fact, you can ask the student like how many of them are from 21 and how many of 22. Accordingly, you can progress. That will be
ओके
better.
ओके 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 ओके। तो बच्चा आप लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट करिए, ठीक है। तो इट विल बी मोर इंटरेक्टिव विद अस, ठीक है। तो हम लोगों को आपस में मतलब जो भी आपका डाउट होगा, जो भी आपकी क्वेरी होगी, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट की अक्सर क्वेरी होती है कि अब हम यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, डेट हाउ वी शुड चूज द ऑप्शनल। मानवी कह रही है 2022, ज्योति 2022, अर्पिता 2023, फाइन फाइन फाइन, वेरी गुड। और रेस्ट अदर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, सो काफी बच्चे 2023 अनिकेत है, फाइन। काफी बच्चे 2022 हैं और 2023 हैं, राइट। तो मतलब आप लोग बिल्कुल जस्ट बिगिनर हैं। 2021 का कोई ऐसा बच्चा है जिसने जनवरी में देना है? क्योंकि रिसेंट ही रिजल्ट आया है, रिसेंट रिजल्ट आया है, कल ही रिजल्ट आया है। अगर कोई कल परसों ही रिजल्ट आया, अगर कोई बच्चा है जिसने 2021 देना है तो आप बता दीजिए। कोई है ऐसा स्टूडेंट जो 2021 वाला है? तो फिर मैं 2022 और 2023 के प्रोस्पेक्ट को लेते हुए चलूंगी, ठीक है। कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसने 2021 को 2021 में अपीयर करना है? एनीवन? ओके फाइन फाइन। सो मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो 2022 के ही हैं या 2023 के हैं। चलिए, सो गाइस, आप लोग बिगिनर हैं, आपने अभी प्रिपरेशन की है नहीं की है, ठीक है। जैसे प्रीलिम्स है, मेंस है। अब एक दो चीजें मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मैं अपने ऑप्शनल पर आती हूँ, ठीक है। जैसे काफी स्टूडेंट 2022 हैं और कुछ 23 के हैं, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द हाई टाइम, दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द ऑप्शनल। परंतु मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स का ये डाउट रहता है कि मैम ऑप्शनल तो पढ़ना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि 500 नंबर है, 500 मार्क्स हैं जो ऑप्शनली कैरी करता है, ठीक है। तो 500 मार्क्स में किस तरीके से हम अटेन करें, और इतनी सारी चॉइसेस है, मतलब यूपीएससी आपको 48 चॉइसेस दे रहा है, उस 48 चॉइसेस में से आपको कोई एक चॉइस को एक्सेप्ट करना है, और वही चॉइस आपका सेलेक्ट या रिजेक्ट का कारण बनेगी। तो सबसे पहली चीज तो ये है कि जीएस बच्चा जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं वही जीएस हर कोई पढ़ रहा है, ठीक है। जीएस में 110 मार्क्स, 120, 160 एसए में मार्क्स, या जीएस में 150 मार्क्स, आपने जिस तरीके से प्रिपेयर किया है उस तरीके से आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे। जीएस इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल, द यूपीएससी डजंट गिव यू ऑप्शन फॉर द जीएस पेपर, ठीक है। तो जीएस में किसी के 5-10 नंबर ऊपर नीचे आ गए, बट सबसे ज्यादा जो एक कहते हैं ना कि एक एम्बिग्विटी या फिर एक डाउट रहता है, वो सबसे ज्यादा रहता है कि कौन सा ऑप्शनल चूज करें, ठीक है। अब कौन सा ऑप्शनल चूज करें, ठीक है। जो मेरा ये पूरा टाइम मतलब मैं आप लोगों के साथ ये जो कन्वर्सेशन कर रही हूँ, इस कन्वर्सेशन में मेरे 3-4 पॉइंट्स रहेंगे। सबसे पहली चीज तो ये रहेगी, क्यों सोशियोलॉजी, क्या है सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल। सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल क्यों लें? ठीक है, अगर आप सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल लेते हैं और कोई दूसरा ऑप्शनल हटा रहे हैं, ठीक है, फिलोसफी भी हो सकता है, एंथ्रो भी हो सकता है, ज्योग्राफी भी हो सकता है, पॉलिटिकल साइंस भी हो सकता है, कोई सा भी ऑप्शनल हो सकता है। तो अगर हम कोई और ऑप्शनल को अगर छोड़ रहे हैं, तो हम सोशियोलॉजी ले रहे हैं, तो उसके प्रोस क्या है, उसके कॉन्स क्या है, ठीक है। और जितने भी अभी मैं बात करूं एट प्रेजेंट कॉन्टेम्प्ररी टाइम की बात करूं, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1800 के आसपास स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं ये सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल देते हैं, ठीक है। और आप बेस्ट टॉपर्स में भी देख लीजिए सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल, आपको रैंक 2 अन्नू कुमारी से लेके आपको रैंक 10, रैंक 50, 100 सब में आपको सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल वाले कैंडिडेट्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है। इवन आप अगर टॉपर्स की भी इंटरव्यूज देखें, यू विल सी दैट इट्स अ वेरी क्रिस्पी, शॉर्ट, पॉपुलर एंड वेरी मच अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज विच इज वेरी बेनिफिट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, राइट। अब हम आते हैं स्टूडेंट पे। ये तो बात हो गई कि जो मार्केट में कहते हैं, ये तो वो वाली बात हो गई कि जो मतलब इट इज द थिंग which is like between the people, which is between the aspirant। बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल के लिए आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं, हालांकि आप यूपीएससी प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं, आपने ओके फाइन, ओके प्रीति जी, so you want to know that how you have to choose the optional paper, fine। So first thing is, to choose the optional paper, the one must understand to know that which is very easy to understand, which subject I feel like that it is very understandable and I can write, okay। For example, I did not know the basics of science, huh? But science is very scoring, but I have no interest in the science subject. I cannot understand the balance equation, I cannot understand the physics. So what is the benefit to take chemistry or physics? Okay. Sonam Sharma asking about, ma'am, please tell about the answer writing. Bacha, I will tell you about the answer writing. I will take this session with the things that what is the sociology optional, how one can score in the sociology and why to choose sociology, how you can take the extraordinary marks, okay। So with this sequence I will tell you all the things. So first is sociology optional. See guys, we all are living in the society, we all are living from the birth to death, we are in the society, we will be in the society, that it cannot be, we cannot be get rid from this, okay। So sociology is like that, how you have to deal with this subject, that what the thinker, what the the very super brain people are asking about, what saying about the society. For example, religion, family, stratification of society, and kinship, these all things we see around over the society, okay। We are living in the family, I'm married, okay। So marriage is a social institution, marriage is a social phenomena. So what the UPSC says, if you are taking the sociology optional, we are giving you two papers. These two papers have 500 marks. The paper one deals with the Western thinker, paper one deals with the thinkers, especially thinkers, all the things, kinship, family, marriage, that you have to relate with the thinkers. Fine. What the Durkheim says about the religion, what Karl Marx says about the division of labor. So what is the point of view of Malinowski? What is the Roald Dandruff? What is what the Tony says about the society, Gemeinschaft, Gesellschaft, etc. So in the paper first, we have to talk about the thinkers. 250 marks. In paper second, we have to talk about the Indian society, means what the A.R. Desai says about the child labor, what the Andre Bete says about the child labor. We have to think about the perspective of thinkers in the paper second. The sociology paper second deals with the Indian society, green revolution, urbanization, rural society, urban society, Indian marriages, Indian families. We have to write whatever the prospect that is with the behalf of India. But in the paper first, we have to write whatever that is with the behalf of Western society. This is first thing, that what the sociology optional is offered by the UPSC to you guys. Okay. Second thing, sociology optional carried the 500 marks, shortest syllabus. In the paper first, there are only 10 chapters. There are only 10 chapters. Okay. Okay, Rakshita. Rakshita bacha, the UPSC offered you sociology optional with the two papers. The paper first is 250 marks, paper second is 250 marks. The paper first deals with the Western society, Western thinkers like Emily Durkheim, Karl Marx, Mead, Mill, Malinowski, Rolf Dandruff. You have to write whatever in the answers with the point of view of Western thinkers. You cannot, you should not, I will not say cannot, you should not write with the Indian perspective in the paper first. In paper second, you have to write whatever that is with the prospect of Indian thinkers. That what the A.R. Desai said on child labor, okay? What the Andre Bete said about the child labor, what the okay, fine. What the M.N. Srinivas says, fine. So this is about the paper second. This is what the UPSC offered to you guys. Okay, fine. This is what the sociology optional is. 500 marks, 2 paper, 250 paper first, 250 paper second. Okay. Paper first, you have to write Western thinker, Western thinker, Western thinker. With the paper first, you have to write Indian thinker, Indian society, Indian society. Okay. UPSC offered you 48 optionals. With the 48 optional, you have to choose only one optional. Then why to choose sociology optional? Why you should not choose other optional like geography, PSIR, public administration, anthropology, and so on. The list is carried like till the 48 numbers. But you have to choose why you have to choose sociology. Okay. The first thing is the sociology is a subject like you doesn't need the very hi-fi knowledge. You should not use very heavy conscious brain. Okay, like when we are in the school time, we have to understand what the Albert Einstein said, what is the Archimedes principles. You should not put the very much heavy brain on this subject. This is what the beauty of sociology. See, in this society, we see that marriage, family, kinship, relations, stratification of society. Bacha, I am asking to you all, have you seen that the rich person exploit the poor people? Yes or not? But when we read in the paper first, we have to say the Karl Marx gave the theory of the mode of production at which we can say in the capitalist society, the bourgeois exploit the proletariat. With the sociology paper, we have to write like the sociology terms. But as I am the mango people, as I am the mango person means I am an ordinary person, then I will say the rich person exploit the poor person. In our society that I am newly married, I wear this chuda, I wear this sindoor, because the society said me that if I am married, I have to put it all, because it is the custom of our society. Yes, 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 this is a custom of our society. But my dear students, if you read in the paper first, this is said by the Emily Durkheim. The Emily Durkheim, French sociologist, he said, the people is affected by the society. How the society put impact on the people. If I did not wear the chuda, if I did not wear the sindoor, the society says me that what would it married or not? The society will not observe me. The society will say she is only a girl. You understand? This is said by the Emily Durkheim. This is said that I wear the chuda, I wear the sindoor. This is social fact that I have to do work as per the accordance of the society. I have to follow the societal norm, societal rule. I observe with the societal thing. I think like the society. I act like the society. That how society nurture me from my birth to till this age or till the death. This is said by the Emily Durkheim. Emily Durkheim said, if any person did the suicide is not by the individual will. For example, if I had failure in the love, it is like that I felt depressed. Everyone says everyone says if someone is failure in the love, it is depend upon that the person's mental condition, that how he or she cope up. Some person did the suicide, some person learned the things. Okay, but Emily Durkheim said, if you read sociology, see, my dear student, I will tell you with the other subjects too. If you read the biology says you there is some current generate in the brain and the person did the suicide. But if you read the psychology says the person is with the mentally depression, the person did not cope up with the situation, the person did the suicide. And if you read the sociology, the Durkheim said the society compel you to do the suicide because society pressure you. Actually, Durkheim interfere in the subjects of others. That is why father of sociology. First thing, everything is in the like, everything is like it is in whatever happen in the society, that all the things exist in our society, we have to read in the sociology. My dear students, we are middle class people. We see some people on the footpath or who lying over the bridge. Those are the people like poorest of poor people, or some people are belong to the slum area. Actually, those people felt they are excluded from the society. They did not consider themselves as a part of society. The Max Weber said, this is how the society is stratified. The stratification of society. If someone is asked about the poverty, but sociologists think the poverty with the other sense. There is a term which is called as feminization of poverty. Came in 2017 or 2018 paper, I think. Okay. Feminization of poverty. And if I ask to someone, what is the feminization of poverty? See what the students are doing mistake in the paper. Now I am telling you what the mistakes done by the students. Any expertise, any experienced student who had done prepared sociology, then the student can feel, yes, madam, you are right. That how you doing the mistakes. Like if the question asks feminization of poverty, what the student will do? The poverty is this, poverty is that, poverty is how, like this kind of thing the student will write in the paper, and the student will up the collar in the paper that, yeah, my sociology paper is very fine, I will score good. But this is not the requirement of the exam. The examiner asks to you, what is the feminization of poverty? The examiner does not want to know what is the poverty. Feminization of poverty. The concept is given by the critic of stratification of society. Stratification of society. Okay, what is the feminization of poverty? It means the thinker, sociologist thinker said, if we see the man's or women's, we compare, we observe in the society that women's are more poorer than men, because women's are not contribute themselves in the GDP. And the sociologist thinker said this is because of division of labor. And division of labor is a concept of Emily Durkheim. Division of labor means our society said, if you are a woman, you know that how to cook, you have to birth a child. You have to nurture the child because you are a woman. You recognize by the your yes, you recognize by the your gender way. And if you are a man, you have to do hunting, you have to earn, you have to fulfill the needs of your family. This is the division of labor among the man and women. But women did not contribute in the economic factor, but the women did not contribute in the GDP from the ancient society. This is called the feminization of poverty. If we are talking about the contemporary society, the women's are, even at this point of time, at 21st century, you compare, you will find out the men's are more earner as compared to women. There are so many housewives, they only nurture. Whatever the judgment of Supreme Court said, I will not discuss. That is a part of polity. In 2020, the Supreme Court says the housewife is also the paid earner. They considered as a paid earner because they nurture the child, they do the cook, they do the household work. So the women who are not working but they are housewife, they considered as a paid earner. So this is what the Supreme Court said in 2020. But what the sociologists say, the women are more poorer than the male. There is more poverty among the female as compared to male. Okay, see guys, whatever we see in the society, we have to understand in the paper first. We will see the things that how thinker understand, how thinker give the thinking. That Emily Durkheim said, the cities people do the more suicide than village people. Okay, this is what the comparison made by the Emily Durkheim. There is so many theories. Even once when I will do the sociology, I would teach you approximately 13 or 14 sociologist thinker. But UPSC said only 6 thinkers. The UPSC give the 6 thinker, but UPSC is, you know, it's unpredictable. In the last time UPSC asked about the Gemeinschaft or Gesellschaft, whereas it is not written in the syllabus. Ferdinand Tönnies is not in the syllabus, but the UPSC asked the question. So we have to complete the 13 or 14 thinkers. Karl Marx, Emily Durkheim, Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, Roland Dandruff, Ferdinand Tönnies, Mead, Mill, Robert Merton. That all we will do, and more than that. Okay. So whatever we see in the society, we have to learn the society in a scientific way. We have to see the society like the sociologist. We have to see the society like the thinker. The thinkers say religion is important. Which thinker say? Emily Durkheim. The Karl Marx said something else. Malinowski said something else. Okay, and everyone is correct. Everyone is right. Everyone is right. I will tell you just with a one example. For example, if I will talk about the Emily Durkheim said the religion is necessary. The religion make the solidarity and integrity in the society. Religion is important. For example, if I have fear of God, I will do not do the evil things to the other. Yes, functionalist perspective. Religion is important. Yes, Sonam Saxena. Yes, Sharma. Yes. Karl Marx. Karl Marx said the religion is like, yeah, it give the emotional support to the person. The person is very frustrated with doing the continuous work in the factory. The person is frustrated with the marriage life. But once the person, pray to the God, then person will feel like, yes, feel like emotional stability. Malinowski said religion is a magic, animism. Religion is important. Karl Marx is a conflict thinker. Karl Marx said the religion works as the people to bear more exploitation, because once the things in not in your hand, you will said the God will give you the reply. There is karma. When you say the karma, you will find emotional support. This is what the Karl Marx said. The people worship the God because of their emotional support. And Durkheim said, the people give donation because religion said it. And once you give the donation to the poor will eat something. This will give the survival for the poor. Emily Durkheim said, if we have the fear of God, we will not do the bad things in the society because we fear with the God. We will not do evil things. We make the society as the integrity and solidarity. Solidarity is what? Solidarity is unity, but you cannot write in sociology paper as a unity word. Okay, you have to write the word solidarity. Marx said religion is used to legitimize. Yeah. Karl Marx is a conflict perspective. Karl Marx have a different aspect. Every thinker have a different aspect, but they make the sociology very crispy, very understanding. And you know, once you know the thinkers, what the thinkers said, you will like, wow. See, Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte called as a father of sociology. Auguste Comte said, why? You know, when Auguste Comte died, 1830, approximately 1830, after 150 years, sociology understand as a subject, sociology recognized as a subject in France. That Ecole University, he had first took the admission. Ecole University did not understand, yeah, sociology is not a subject. It is a new subject. After his death, after 150 years, then it is understand or it is recognized as a subject. Auguste Comte said the society like as a person. Auguste Comte have different perspective. Auguste Comte said the society is with the 3 stages of life: theological, metaphysics, positivist stage. Theological stage, ancient society, when people do not wear the cloth, when people were hunting, when people do not know that how to fire, people are illiterate, people don't know the difference between the male and female, the people don't know in the society, primitive society, ancient society. As the time goes on, the people uh, upgraded themselves. Then there is agricultural revolution, then industrial revolution, there is a tenants or then capitalist. Yes, answer writing hacks, ma'am. Yes, answer writing, I will tell you. Yeah, whatever I am telling now, whatever I am telling, then I have to come in the next stage of answer writing, because first my these students who are new students, they don't know what is the sociology. I have to let them know, see guys, this is sociology. That is why I'm giving you the some examples of thinkers. Then why it is need to tell you about the Emily Durkheim, Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer? There is no need. But for the new student, I just want to, with the, yeah, I understand. This is sociology. Acha, this is what we have to understand. This is what we have to learn in the subject. This is what I'm making you more understandable about the sociology. If you feel, you first have to see the syllabus, you have to see the previous year papers. And if you feel, yes, I'm comfortable, just take this optional. Okay. Okay, now the next thing is you are saying about ma'am answer writing hacks. Okay, fine. If you know about the sociology syllabus or the sociology previous year papers, that how the questions came in the UPSC exam, then I have to come with this prospect with the answer writing hacks. Okay, the first thing, now I am telling you about the most trust or most important part of this sociology optional seminar. The first thing, how to write good answer writing, and how to attain the extraordinary marks. There are some points. The first thing is, for every beginner novice student, you have to first keep the syllabus with yourself, previous year papers with yourself. First thing. Second thing is, read class notes and standard books. What standard books? Ridger, Hull numbers. Okay. Jyoti कहती है, मैम आई एम हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट बट आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग ऑप्शनल but I am preparing optional with most of English medium material, as I have no issue with the English, so please suggest me some tips about the Hindi medium. Okay, fine. Jyoti ji, actually with the some previous 4 or 5 batches I taught sociology in English manner, but at this present time I'm teaching the sociology with bilingual English or Hindi medium both. So Jyoti ji, there is not any of good books in the Hindi medium, because the UPSC make the paper with the Ridger. UPSC made the question paper with the Hull numbers. Okay, with the Hindi medium you can only get the IGNOU material, BMA. And if you want to know the some local writer, yaar koi fayda nahi hai. You will not get the good marks. You will not get the good marks. There is not very standard books in Hindi medium. This is what the lack of Hindi medium in sociology. Okay, but right now I am teaching to the Hindi medium student or English medium student. Currently my batch is going on. I'm teaching in the both prospect. What I do, I first let the student with the what the thinker say, then I write in the board with the proper diagram, with the proper manner, that how you have to write, how you have to make the understandable thing in the English or the Hindi as well. Okay, so in my notes I already put up the Ridger, Hull numbers, IGNOU, NCERT and JNU material. That all the things is in the notes, and beyond the notes you did not go. Everything is in the notes, class notes. Okay. And the second thing is answer writing hacks. I come to my own point. Okay, answer writing hacks. Second point you have clear. Third point, when you have to write the answer writing, you have to write with the sociological perspective. You should not write what you think. You should not write what you say it is right or not. You have to write with the sociological angle. Okay. For example, what is the social fact? You have to write the social fact as per the Emily Durkheim. The society put impact on the person. The person's will is independent. The person is doing the work internally or externally as per the society. And if person did not do the things, the society will not accept. For example, if there is a marriage, the marriage is happen between the girl and boy, then the society will accept you. And if there is a lesbian marriage or gay marriage, then society will not accept you. The society says it is a crime. In India, it is not legitimized, whereas in the USA or Western country, yes, it is legitimized. But with the sociological angle, it will not lead to the society. So it is a pathological structure. You have to write in the answer writing pathological. But the simple meaning of pathological is the crime. The society will see you as a criminal. If the girl is married with the girl, if boy is married with the boy, the society will say it's a crime. The society will not accept you. Whatever the rights and protest you are doing, that is a different thing. But we are sociologists. We have to think like the sociology. We have to think like the sociologist thinker. I give you just the example of simple social fact. Okay. Always write answer with the name of thinkers. This is important. If you want to get 320, 350 marks, you should not use your own view, what you feel right. No, what thinker said. Some of my students in the yesterday class, one student said, ma'am, in Emily Durkheim said the society put impact on the person, but person can also put impact on the society. I said, yes, you are right. Like the APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam never married, but everyone appreciate the APJ Abdul Kalam. There is no one single criticizer of him. So individual put impact on the society, yes, but this is said by the Max Weber, and this point you cannot write in the Emily Durkheim. This is what you have to remember in the corner of your brain. What the Emily Durkheim said, what Karl Marx said, what is the what Mead said, what Auguste Comte said, what is the perspective of Auguste Comte with the religion, what is the perspective of Max Weber. Max Weber said Protestant and spirit of capitalism. Max Weber said the karma is puja, puja is karma, karma is Bhagwan. Max Weber said कर्म ही पूजा है. Max Weber gave the theory of Protestant ethics and spirit of capitalism. Means religion teach me I have to do karma. I have to do work continuously. And whatever I will earn, the 10% I have to donate to the poor people. And the rest part of my earning, I have to invest in the market. Because karma is puja. I have to work continuously. When I work continuously, there is more production, more employment, more GDP, and more money. It will lead to the capitalism society. So Max Weber said, the religion teaches capitalism society. The religion teaches how to work in the society, how to work in the social order, how to work in the social solidarity. The religion teaches us. This is the Max Weber said. So you have to remember this thing. If you remember this thing, which thinker said what? Which thinker's perspective is what? What is their criticizers? What is their criticism? We will see that what's their biography, what's their perspective, what's their subject matter. Like like Karl Marx. Karl Marx said about the alienation theory. The poorest of poor person feel alienate from the society. Did not see, yeah, these lakpati people, crorepati people is not they. I'm not the part of those people. So I am excluded from the society because I am the BPL or I am the poorest of poor people. If I'm a worker, if I do the work in the factory, I feel alienation because if I'm a worker in a car factory, I made the Honda City, but I cannot use that Honda City. Although I repaired Honda City, although I made Honda City, I manufacture Honda City, but I cannot use the Honda City. I feel alienated from the product. I feel alienated with the employer because employer want more work, but he did not give the salary on time. So how my house will be run? So I feel alienated from the company. How the worker feel alienated with the colleague. The colleague do the local politics in the company. Everyone want their own appreciation. So Karl Marx feel it. Karl Marx give the alienation theory. This is a theory of alienation. Ask in the UPSC exam. Guys, you have to read the sociology like fruit juice. You have to drink that fruit juice. What thinker, what perspective, what subject matter, what methodology, what is the application, what is the critic. This is how we have to do the thinker part. But before the thinker, you have to understand what is the scientific method, what is the positivist, what is the non-positivist, what is the sociology, how sociology emerged, how sociology developed in the French society, why Montesquieu, Rousseau give the intellectual thinking to the people, why French Revolution occurred, Industrial Revolution occurred, then sociology become as a subject. This is, yeah, UPSC designed the syllabus with a very well-mannered way. As a beginner, you have to first understand that how sociology emerged, how it begin with the thinkers part. Okay, so answer writing way is like you have to write answer with a sociologist thinker. Use sociological term. Do not write. Third thing is do not write long answer. Do not write long answer. I always check the answer writing. There are some English medium students who write the very good answers, but the Hindi medium student answer writing, no, not acceptable. There are so many Hindi medium students to whom I taught, but their answer writing is not very good because the Hindi medium student have more feelings. They have more words. They write with the infinity way. But no, now the UPSC is very tired and they give you the, space part, 1.5 for the 150 words. There are 2 pages for the 200 words. The UPSC give you this space. You have to attempt 5 questions out of 8 questions. First question is compulsory. And you have to cover the 90% of syllabus. I am saying 90% of syllabus, but one must have to cover up the 99% of syllabus, because if you know the Durkheim, if you know the Karl Marx, there is question number 3rd. First question is from A part is from Durkheim, B part is from Karl Marx, third part is from the 3rd chapter you left. The third C part come from the 3rd chapter. Understand? What is the difference of schedule and interview? Like this kind of question. What is the difference of reliability and validity? So you don't know. You left the 3rd chapter. Then that is why you have to cover up the 99% of syllabus. Then you feel confident. Yeah, now I will attempt the paper. Understand? This is the beauty of this paper. Do not write long answer. If you want to get 6 marks, 7 marks out of 10, please write to the point. Please write in the point form. Please make the flow diagram if it is possible. Please make the diagram or give the example of thinkers or the contemporary society. Give the sociological example. Give the terminology of sociological thinkers. Understand? Way of answer writing. Contest. No long paragraph, short paragraph. Answer should be in point form. Third thing, the answer should be to the point. If feminization of poverty asks, give the answer of feminization of poverty. Do not need to what the Durkheim said, what the Weber said about the poverty. No need. No need. First, give the 2 or 3 minutes to read the question, what the question asked. The question said, for example, I am taking the UPSC question. The question asked, compare and contrast the viewpoint of religion, compare and contrast the Emily Durkheim and Weber with the view of religion. Okay, so you have to compare and contrast of Emily Durkheim and Weber, what they said for with the perspective of religion. Okay, so you have to give the points, what the Emily Durkheim said with the religion, what the Max Weber said with the prospect of religion. Okay, you do not write Emily Durkheim biography, you do not write Emily Durkheim subject matter. What the question asks, you have to write the answer. If the question asks, give the some causes of social change, this is a 10th chapter. Okay, you have to give the cause of social change. You do not need to write what is the social change, what is the benefit of social change, what is the limitation of social. No, this is not required. Bhai, maximum student do this kind of mistake. The examiner asks something else and student gives something else. And see, I am the half of the age of examiner. If I got frustrated with the answer of students, what the question asked and what they write, okay, then double of my age, what the examiner will do, the examiner will be of like 70-year-old or 65-year-old or 80 years old. You just frustrate the examiner with your anap shanap answer writing. No. First thing is write what is asked. Your contest should be clear and cut. If you want to attain 320, 350, first to know what should be your attitude with the answer. Answer only what is asked. That's all. Second thing, your content. What the local writer says. अरे भाई, वो एक बच्चा था, वो कह रहा मैम हमने पता नहीं कौन सा बुक पढ़ा था, आई फॉरगेट द बुक नेम, क्योंकि हमने भी रिचर और हरलम्बस ही पढ़ी है, ठीक है, इसलिए लोकल राइटर नेम आई डोंट नो, ठीक है। तो वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट ही सेड कि मैम ये लोकल राइटर का बुक चल जाएगा। अरे भाई, उस बुक के अंदर ही सेड मैम व्हाट एवर द यूपीएससी आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन वी डिड नॉट गेट द सिंगल थिंग फ्रॉम देम। और सोचो, so many students, they local Hindi medium student, they read from that book and actually the student prepare for how we can fail. This is what I understand. Bhai, use only standard books, use Ridger for the thinker, use Harlumbus. IGNOU material is not sufficient, but IGNOU is like, you know, it's a tradition of UPSC aspirant that you have to follow the IGNOU. IGNOU is just for the basic, that what is sociology, matlab means you understand the things, that's all. But only you have to write the IGNOU, no, that is not sufficient at all. Okay, IGNOU is just to make the base, like if I am speaking a statement, I know the alphabets, what is A, what is B, what is C. I'm in the learning stage, that's all. IGNOU works like this, that's all. But which nurture your mind in sociological thought, that is Ridger, that is Harlumber. And if you guys as a beginner, you read the Ridger, you read the Harlumbers, you will say, aha, I have to get it from this book, it's a very lengthy, very heavy. I read the Ridger, oh, I did not understand the point, what it is written in the English. Arey bhai, it is written in not in a English, it is written in the sociological term. And actually that sociological term is not understood by you. There is one word I said earlier, there is a one word unity, but in the sociology you cannot use unity, you have to use solidarity. For the rich people, you cannot use the rich people, you have to use the term bourgeois. For the poor people, you should not use the poor people, you should use proletariat. For the social law, you should not use the social law, you should use the social fact. You understand? You have to use the sociology term. Whatever the terms I will do in the first class, these are the terms the one must know about before beginning the sociology. With the IGNOU, yes, you understand, yeah, this is marriage, type of marriage, family, kinship, okay. Durkheim said like this, okay, Karl Marx said like this. You understand, the basic understanding is by the IGNOU BMA, okay. I will not say ki with the BA or MA, your whole paper will be clear out. No, okay. So Ridger, Harlumbus, content. First is contest. What is asked, you have to write only that. Second is content. Your content should be awesome. What? Standard books. Why standard books? Because who will check your answer writing? The JNU professor, the Delhi University professor. Our finance minister is from the JNU. UPSC members are from the JNU, from the Delhi University. These two professors will check your answer writing. From which book those professors read the things? The professor read the things from the Ridger Harlumbus. So what they're thinking, you have to write with that way. Then you will get, and then you will score the more and maximum marks. Although the UPSC give the answer writing format to the professors, okay, no doubt. But ultimately, professor is professor. You cannot mess up with the professor. You cannot mess up with the 80-year-old people, 80-year-old person. You have to write what the professor read. What professor read? Ridger Harlumbus. So Mool Mantra, you know, the Mool Mantra of sociology is contest, what is asked, you have to give the answer only. Second mool mantra is use standard books, because your paper checker use those books. Okay. Third is your presentation. I don't know that is Kirti is intelligent or not. I don't know Jyoti. I don't know Arpita Das. I don't know any of these students who are attending this seminar. But then how I recognize this student? How I recognize, yes, these are the raw material for the UPSC. How I recognize? I will recognize you by your answer writing. Agree or not? For example, Arpita Das is very intelligent. Arpita Das, she is having like intellectual mind, but she cannot write that how to frame the answer and how to write in 150 words. So she will not get the good marks. Your way of presentation, that matters a lot. And way of presentation way is what? Do not write lengthy answer. Write short answer, short paragraph, thinker's name, sociological perspective. You should not think, yeah, this is right, this is wrong. No, you have to write like what the thinker said. That's all. अरे भाई जब मैंने पढ़ाया, so many students said to me, मैम ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है, मैम वैसा भी तो हो सकता है. अरे भाई अपनी भावनाओं को अंदर रखो. You should not use your feeling here. You can use your feeling in the essay paper, but in the optional paper you cannot use your feeling. You have to use the super vidwan people's terminology. Understand? Yes or not? अगर आप में से, if any one of them, if all the student, I don't know how many students are attending, 17 18 students, if any of them, okay, you use the contest content and best way of presentation, I challenge you, you will not score less than 320 marks. You will easily get. But students, what the students are doing, अरे भाई question आया, what is the historical antecedents of emergence of sociology? This was the question of 2020 means first question. Okay, and how the person will give the answer? Sociology emergence, Montesquieu, Rousseau, political social change, that's all. Arey yaar, why you did not make the diagram? You should make the diagram from the dark age, from the modernity, modernity, social, economic, political modernity, how society changed, what are the challenges, social challenge, political challenge, economic challenge, then how intellectual rise, what the Montesquieu Rousseau did during the French Revolution, then how sociology emerged, and sociology emerged with the viewpoint of positivism. And positivism, you can make the diagram of it, but what the people use, they write long paragraph and they satisfy themselves. That's all. Use smart way how to grab the marks. Okay, read newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, Indian Express. Although with the first paper you don't need to read the newspaper, no, but with the second paper, if I show you UPSC paper, you are beginner, you are novice people, okay, but you can give the 5 to 6 answers right now if you read the newspaper regularly. Arey bhai, last year question was UAPA question, the same question asked in the GS paper. Corona, during the corona, how the migrant workers suffered, this was the question of paper second, huh? And there are some question, urbanization, secularism, green revolution, economic effect, land tenure, these kind of question asked in the paper second. Paper second is like wow paper. Paper first is like you should not use the Indian society, you should not use your thinking, you whatever you have to write with the thinker perspective. But in the paper second, there are only 3 thinkers. Okay, there are only 3 thinkers in the paper second. Indian thinkers. Okay, in Indian thinkers, there are only 3 thinkers. And read newspaper for the second paper. And second is you have to write with the, in the second paper you have to write with the Indian sociologist perspective, like A.R. Desai. Okay, A.R. Desai. What is the Sanskritization? Desanskritization concept. What is the concept of Sanskritization, desanskritization concept? Given by the M.N. Srinivas. M.N. Srinivas was the functionalist perspective in the Indian society. Okay. So in the first chapter, you will do the 3 thinkers, and then later on, there is like all the GS paper, GS first, GS second, GS third, even GS 4 paper is included in the paper second sociology optional. Like the rest chapters are like Indian marriage, Indian family, Indian religion, Indian land tenure, rural area, agriculture way, green revolution, urbanization, rural or urban society. Okay, Indian social change. Okay, these all are the things. Only 15 chapters are there, but some chapters are like very small chapter. But it asks in the UPSC paper. Ultimately, you have to attempt the 5 question out of 8. The first question is compulsory. Okay, fine. Second thing is paper second is very easy. Paper second is very easy. Paper for the paper second, you have to read the class notes. Yojana Kurukshetra you can use. Yojana Kurukshetra. Because Yojana in Kurukshetra is like the Ramban. It is introduced by the government of India. Na? So government accept the answer writing. By what way? They give the gadget, they give the Yojana, they give the things. Okay. So Yojana is beneficial in the paper second. इंडियन एक्सप्रेस का भी एडिटोरियल अच्छा आता है. इंडिया मतलब भाई देखो मैंने 8-10 साल तो द हिंदू ही पढ़ा. हाँ, तो द हिंदू तो मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, बट बीच में क्या है, द हिंदू इज अगेंस्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, बट यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द सिविल सर्विसेज, सो सिविल सर्वेंट काम नहीं बनेगा ना. You should not criticize government because you are a executive part of government. IAS, IPS, IFS, they are the executive part of government. So you should not criticize the government in your answer writing. Whatever your individual view, you can use in your WhatsApp. Okay, but you should not write in your answer writing. So Yojana is good, Kurukshetra is good, and for paper second, I will prefer Indian Express or the Hindu. The Hindu, some articles are very good. Okay. And last year, there are 2 or 3 questions which came from the Indian Express. So Indian Express is also good newspaper. This is the, and the class notes. These are the overall content of paper second. Okay. But you will say, ma'am, that all things are okay. But why we should choose the sociology? Why we should use the sociology? In the paper first, there are only 10 chapters. In the paper second, there are only 15 chapters, very small chapters. Okay. And paper first, GS paper first, give benefit in the optional 2. Indian society. In the GS first paper, 250 marks, there is a, what's your syllabus is geography, history, Indian society. That Indian society part is your sociology paper second. In GS2 paper, the social issues section is in your GS2 optional 2 paper. Okay. In GS third paper, the security and economic, some economic section. This will give benefit to your optional second paper. Okay. And ethics, there are some philosophical angles of ethics paper that will give you benefit in the paper second. Essay, your paper second will give benefit to the essay, GS first, GS second, GS third, GS fourth. So overall paper second will cover some sections of GS. Okay. So this is what the GS2 paper. So GS2 paper is very simple. We complete the GS2 paper within the 20-25 days. But the GS, I'm telling about the GS paper, sorry. Sociology optional paper second. We complete sociology optional paper second 20-25 days with the answer writing practice. Okay. And paper first takes a long time because 140 days, 40-45 days taken only by the thinker section, which come around 120 marks. 120 marks, and the rest overall paper first takes a 3 months. 3 months. And if you are intelligent, and if you are like your grasping capability is very good, then you can cover the whole prospect, whole sociology within just a month. Okay, even intelligent student or genius student can cover up within a week. एक हफ्ते में भी कर सकते हो. So sociology is like short, sociology is crispy, sociology is easy to understand because everything we see in the society. So it is not something like we have to learn this law, that law. Everything is very simple because we are in the society. We are not in the jungles. Okay, to the point. And for example, if I take geography, I have to spend 1 year for prepare the optional. If I take PSIR, I'm not criticize other optional. I'm not criticize, but I'm telling you the lengthy optional, shortest optional. Lengthiest optionals are PSIR, geography, and history. History is like infinity. It takes 1 year for the preparation. And if you are talking about the shortest optional, then sociology is shortest, anthropology is shortest, philosophy and psychology. Okay, these are the shortest optional. Okay, and if you are talking about the score, then see Annu Kumari ranked second, Ila Tripathi, all India ranked first. Okay, they are from the sociology optional. So sociology optional, with the sociology optional you can score the very good marks, but first it is all depend upon your way of answer writing, because examiner did not know you personally. Examiner know you with the way of answer writing. Okay, I don't know Jyoti. I will understand the Jyoti, would she is the raw material for IS or not. Then I will see her answer writing, then I will say yes, she is raw material, yes, he is raw material. Then your mains will be qualified na? Then you will have to appear the interview. And if you are not the raw material for the civil services, then examiner will say, ah, right again, means yeah, she or he should need some, no doubt you appeared in the mains paper, so examiner knows you are the cream section of the society, but examiner will say yes, you need to learn, you need to attempt next time because you are not that much mature. Okay, so this is what the thing is. And the second thing is, for the science student, see, I'm an engineer. Personally, I'm telling you about myself, and I never give my introduction. I'm an engineer, and when I choose the optional paper, it is like for me that which optional should I choose? Okay, I like geography, I like history with the GS paper. So I was confused. I saw the syllabus of sociology, and then I saw previous year papers, syllabus, and I write, if I give you something on the religion or caste or child labor, then I think, can I write on child labor? Can I can I write on religion? Can I write on marriage? Can I write on family? Can I write on security? If I can write the some one page for this, yes, this optional is very good for me, because without reading with this subject, I can write. With the reading, I can do a lot. So this is how I choose the optional. And second thing is, it is very shortest and I cannot give them more time, because I prepared at a very 3 or 4 months before the prelims. I started my preparation 3 or 4 months before the prelims, so I have not that much enough time. So sociology, this is why I choose the sociology. And second thing is, it is very comfortable. Okay, I can read this subject for 5 hours continuously. It will never give me boredom. It will never give me negative vibes. Yeah, it's a, sometimes the student will feel, यार ये subject नहीं हो रहा, यार not possible, यार हमने तो हाथ खड़े कर लिए, हमसे नहीं होंगे. ठीक है, होता है स्टूडेंट के साथ, हमारे साथ भी हुआ. ठीक है, so many people like this, यार it's a very boring subject, I cannot cope up with the subject, huh? Like I thought for the philosophy, huh? So many of my student, they so many of my colleague, they are IS right now, like Junaid Ahmad, all India ranked third. He was my classmate. And Faiz Alak, Mumtaz, Tejaswini Gautam, IPS officer, and so many friends of mine. They are IPS or IFS, okay, and IAS, okay. Some are IRS, some got Danix, okay. So everyone have their different strategy because everyone is different. So you choose, you have to decide what to do. We are mentors, so we will give you the path. But ultimately, you are preparing for the officer level, you are preparing for the SDM, you are preparing for the DM post, means the whole district is controlled by you only. You have to give the presentation to the Prime Minister. So this is optional. You have to choose. You have to choose, and this optional will either give you benefit or not. Okay. Uh, and the second thing is, I will give you one example. Like with the marriage, if our partner is not good na, so our life will become hell. If our partner is good and supportive, then life will become as a heaven. समझ रहे हो? So same with the optional. The optional give you the selection. The optional will beat you. This is what the choice does. That is why choices is very problematic. The GS paper is not problematic. Everyone have to read the GS. Everyone have to write the essay. Ah, yes, अर्पिता दास, बिल्कुल. मैं यही चीज, मतलब कई बार मैं ऐसे सोचती हूँ, सेम विद द मैरिज, वी आर इन द सोसाइटी, वी हैव टू थिंक लाइक विद द सोशल फिनोमिना. तो भाई यही होता है, पार्टनर सही ना मिले तो भाई जिंदगी खत्म, और पार्टनर सही मिल गया तो जिंदगी स्वर्ग बन गई. सही बात की नहीं? एक बच्चे का क्वेश्चन था, पहले उसे देख लेते हैं. ये ना हो कि फिर वो क्वेश्चन रह जाए. हाँ, रक्षिता कहती है, मैम हाउ कैन समवन चूज लिमिटेड resources for sociology? Very good question. See, for sociology optional, the first thing is, if you take the classes, see, I will tell you with the neutral way. Okay, I will not say you must have to take the classes or you have not take the class. I will tell you with the neutral way. Choices are yours. You have to choose whether to come or not. Okay. So first thing is, if you take the classes, you have to follow class notes, class notes, class notes. Second thing, only standard books, Ridger, hard numbers, basic understanding with the IGNU, that's okay. अरे उतना basic understanding तो हम ही दे देंगे. Okay, but Ridger, hard numbers is important. Okay, and the third thing is one newspaper for the paper second, optional paper second, and that will also give you benefit in the essay. Okay, this is the limited resource, but that's all. For those who did not take the classes, okay, newspaper for the optional paper second, Ridger, hard numbers, that's all. Hard numbers blue book is like this. You should not not read from first page to last page. No need, no need. I will tell you the page number, I will tell you the chapter, which chapter you have to follow with the her numbers. For example, if I will start the class of Emily Durkheim from tomorrow, then I will say you have to just read Emily Durkheim biography from the Richer. That's all. If you understand, that is well and good. If you did not understand, that is also well and good. Okay. Rakshita, her numbers, both color books, no. One is orange, second is blue, only blue. Okay, although I read both. I read both, but you have to follow only the blue book. Okay. वो 1500 रुपए की आती है, अभी मेरे यहाँ पे पड़ी होगी तो मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. That is like this. देखना पड़ेगा, मेरे यहाँ पे पड़ी होगी तो. इतना मोटा बुक होता है. 1500 रुपए का है, 1500 का बुक है वो. तो आप भाई अब लेना चाहते हो ले लो, नहीं लेना चाहते तो मत लेना. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू डेट नोट्स. वो क्या पीडीएफ फॉर्म होता है या क्या कहते हैं उसे, जो सिलेक्टेड टॉपिक्स होते हैं उसका फोटो करके पीडीएफ बना के दे देना. ठीक है. सो दैट आई विल प्रोवाइड इफ समवन हु डू नॉट वांट टू परचेज. ओके. So we have all the option. We are living in the digital age. We can use the soft copy, and then you can make the printout and use the hard copy with for your study. So guys, ultimately at the end of the day, the thing is your answer should be your writing neat and clean हो तो अच्छा है. ठीक है. Good presentable form. Okay. Good presentation, that matters a lot. Content should be valuable. भाई जो प्रोफेसर पढ़ रहा है वही पढ़ो ना. What the professor want to see, show him and get the selection. That's all. This is the mantra. और मैं क्या बोलूं. And the third thing is content, जिससे वो irritate ना हो. कॉन्टेस्ट इरिटेट ना हो. भाई पूछा कुछ, जवाब कुछ, नो. बस यही है पूरा मूल मंत्र. शॉर्ट, फ्लोर चार्ट, डायग्राम, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया. ठीक है. यस, डायग्राम वायग्राम बनाओ, बस यही है बच्चा. और हाँ, एक चीज और है. आंसर राइटिंग का जैसे मान लो मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर का पेपर ले लिया एक दो. हाँ. और मैं आपको ना उसका थोड़ा फॉर्मेट टाइप बता दूंगी कि लाइक इन द पेपर फर्स्ट दैट हाउ टू मेक द फ्रेमिंग ऑफ आंसर्स. ओके. इसका आई विल टेक द अनदर सेशन with this topic. Okay, that how to frame the answers with the, I will take some previous year papers of thinkers or paper second, whatever you say. Then we will make the framing of answer so that the new student who are going to appear in 2022, he or she will feel they are comfortable, because so many of students, they are also intelligent, but while they start the answer writing na, they pick the pen and they said, ma'am, how we start, मैम नहीं बन रहा. मैम पता है पूरा, but ma'am we don't know how we start. So the student who are hesitant to write na, we first have to remove the hesitation. Daily write 2-3 answer writing. भाई साहब कुछ भी लिखो, अनाप शनाप ढिंकाना फलाना अंट शंट कुछ भी लिखो, whatever. डेली 2-3 आंसर राइटिंग करनी है. धर्मा है. डेली सुबह उठ के हम फ्रेश होते हैं, धर्मा है ना हमारा. Similarly, you have the dharma for the UPSC, the daily right answer writing for 2022, for 2023. Prepare the optional within 4 or 5 months. Then revise. Bhai, UPSC is cleared by the revision. Revise this sociology optional if you want to take 10 times at least. See the beauty in the exam hall. Then you will say, ma'am, wow, maja aa gaya. Matlab the people will think, if they revise 1 or 2 times, the people will think, yaar Emily Durkheim ने क्या कहा है यार, कैसे करूं. And you will say, I read this 10 times, so I know, oh, I mean, this concept is given by Emily, this is कार्ल मार्क्स, कंपेयर कंट्रास्ट किया, टेबल बनाया, ये किया, आप जल्दी से कर लेंगे. दिस इज व्हाट द ब्यूटी ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस 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 प्रैक्टिस, दिस इज व्हाट द क्रक्स. समझ गए? यस और नॉट? तो भाई यूपीएससी इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम. ठीक है, ये आईआईटी और जेईई की तरह नहीं है जो ना हो. इट इज वेरी सिंपल पेपर but very wide. You have to learn, you have to understand. The questions will all comes with the indirect manner. You have to write with the specified or with a proper manner, but this can be attained, this perfection can be made only by the practice. Yes or not? Practice is important yaar. Without practice, तो या तो you are IITN, you are IIM, भाई you are superb in academic, then you don't need पढ़ा ठीक है लिख दिया. But यार if you studied from the simple ordinary schools, some of the students are from the government school, then they have to fight with those people who are IITNs or IIM. So how it is possible? We see so many examples of toppers, but see the background of toppers na. See the background of toppers. If someone says 3 or 4 month preparation is enough, अरे भाई 3 or 4 month preparation for the UPSC, if you are saying it's enough, but they did not tell the reality. 95% of interviews are like ostensible, are like fake. Reality is not said by the toppers. Only 4 to 5% interviews are real. Only 4 to 5% interview. The rest are like ostensibility. ठीक है. और मेरा मेरा ये मेरा इंडिविजुअल व्यू है जो मैं सोचती हूँ कि many students are said from this institute, that institute, and I said yeah, these people learn the ethics, probity. These people write the answer in ethics paper, GS2 GS4 paper, and what their attitude, what their ethics are going on when when their pictures are shown in the various institutions. Actually this makes me in the dilemma. With their names comes in the merit list and their photos appears in everywhere. What is the reality? Actually the students, what they write, they are not in the character. See, I tell the very deep lines. This is what individually felt by me. Okay, I'm not saying ki this and that, but I'm saying ki like believe on yourself, believe only on yourself, take the right path. What is the right path? Previous year papers, syllabus, whatever you read from the GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, what the section you completed, just tick yes, you completed this particular section. You have to learn the syllabus like it should be in your blood. Okay, revise many times, write answers, then slowly you will get perfect. It doesn't matter you are IITN or you studied from the simple government school. What matters? Your willpower, your direction, your attitude for the exam. That's all. Okay, so the next session I will take about that, how to framing the answer writing is all thing I will take. Actually I did not went to the studio now, so I have to give this session verbally. I did not use the board. With the board I tell you the more things. Okay, so see you with the next time. Okay guys, okay, so see you with the next time. The dates time will be tell by the sir. Okay bacha, okay guys, bye bye, take care.